Hey, welcome. I'll give you a secret way in order for you to make money online by sharing links and walking. There's a wise, unique, and a decent way to make money. I'm God Picardofo, and on that this platform does not promote anything which is illegal. Everything here is for educational purposes only. Let's hop onto my phone screen that first to know how we can do so. As you can see on my phone screen, you can just walk or sell links and make money with this app called SweetCoin. As you can see on my screen, we have the influencers program whereby you can even choose to be an influencer. You can download this app on the Google Play Store or on the Google App Store. This is a very unique and a simple thing. As you can see here, you can go to Play Store and download an app called VPN to browse freely on the internet. It's only on Play Store. Thank you. That's just by the way. Let's move on. As you can see, you can track your orders, or you can even work more and earn more. If you're having a sickness such as more cholesterol, you can even walk and track your steps, and this will be a health impact for you. Aside working on health impacts, you are going to earn money by working. As you can see here, I'm having 980 sweet coin. I got it within few couple of days, which is equivalent to 90 cents. If I'm able to get 20,000 sweet coin, I'll be able to get a gift card of $20. $20 in Ghana cedis is approximately 350 Ghana cedis, which is a great income for you just by working. Do not work for just working's sake, but you can work and earn money. You can also share invitation links to other friends in order for you to get an income. Have a nice day and goodbye.